Hey everybody, it's Vicki Kenner, independent Scentsy consultant, Scentsy director with Team Scented Style, and today I'm going to share with you a couple warmers that are so pretty. Oh my gosh, they're so pretty. Now, first of all, you might hear mariachi music playing in the background because apparently I am the only one without plans on New Year's Eve, which to me, this is the way to go. Stay home in my sweats and chillax. Okay, so the warmers that I want to share with you are so pretty. They're both called Southern Hospitality. One is a full size and one is a mini. So we're gonna go with the mini first. Super duper cute, okay? So let me go ahead and open it up. Let's see. I'm excited about these. These are pretty. And I've actually had these before, but friends of mine wanted them and I ended up gifting them to people because they're like, oh, I want it. And so I ended up giving it away. Okay, so the mini warmer, if you've never purchased one of our mini warmers, it's like a nightlight warmer. So you get the plug-in like this, okay? Now here's the cool thing. If your outlets are not vertical but horizontal, we have this little button which allows you to turn this so that your warmer is facing the correct way. Okay, and then you have your on and off button right here. All right, so let's check it out. So pretty. It is so pretty. Ta-da! Look how cute that is. And then the back has, well, all the way around has these little holes, and that's where the light comes through, and it's so pretty, right? And then the wax goes in here. Absolutely adorable. Okay, so let's now look at the full size. So pretty. So, so pretty. All right. So now, let's see. All right, here is the lid, and it has the holes so that you could smell the scent. And this one is an element warmer, which means it's not gonna have a light bulb. So these are actually, this one's actually perfect for a bedroom because you won't get any light out of it. All right, let's see. You guys ready? Okay, one. Let's see. I started the countdown a little early. I said one, but we're gonna go a little bit longer. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Boom sauce. Okay, and here's the lid. Okay, and it's just really, really pretty. I love it. So here we go. We have the mini, which is the plug-in, and then the full size. You guys, these are so pretty. Now, remember, starting tomorrow, January 1st, for the month of January, we are selling everything at 10% off because we're getting a new catalog in February, on February 1st. So get these, seriously, 10% off. What a cute little combination. Perfect for what am I trying to say? Summer. These are really cute for summer, and they make a gorgeous gift, right? Anyways, I hope you like my video. Please like and subscribe. Follow me everywhere. And I hope you're having a wonderful new year. Talk to you later. Bye.